Huge block duplex in the North Tampa area. Unit A is a 3-1 with around 1,200 square feet. With tile floors throughout, and Unit B is 3-1 with around 997 square feet. And mostly terrazzo floor and tile. Replace septic system in 2020, new mini split units and roof replaced 5 years ago. The property sits on a huge 13,000 square feet lot with a huge backyard. Savvy investors should have no problem making a great ROI on this solid block multi-family property. Make your appointment now. Don't miss out.